Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this Lego turkey to get ready for Thanksgiving time. Let's take it apart, show you how to do it. Alright, now that we've got everything taken apart, I can show you everything that you will need. 1 2x2 plate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1x2s, 9 1x2s, 10 1x2s, 2 1x1s snap pieces, and you need these eyes too, which is why I've put them on. 2 2x2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2x2 inverted slopes, 7, 8 2x2 inverted slopes, 1, 2, 3 2x2 slopes, 1, 2, 3 1x2 slopes, this 2x2 slope piece, and 2 1x1s. So now, let's get started. First, you're gonna need this plate. You're gonna need to do this. Then, put all of these pieces like this. And now this is like that. Now let's get this blue piece. And it should look like that. And then let's attach this piece to here, like that. This piece to there. And then this piece here. This and then like this. Then this here, like this, and then add this to there. And now our turkey looks like this. To make this better, let's add this to there. Like this. Stick it here. And then this can go there. Then let's add this, that. Let's surround the turkey's body. And this there, that there. Now, next thing has to do with this piece. Let's put this piece here. Then let's put this piece right there. Then this goes there, that goes there. Then let's place this in the middle. Like this. That there. And this here. And that's your turkey. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!